Hello, today we are going to discuss third experiment of the C programming. And this third experiment of the C programming is on decision making and branching using if else and switch statement. So we will try to execute some programs with if else if statement, if else statement and switch statement. Now let us, as done previously, as discussed previously, open the Turbo C++ compiler. So again we have to click the Turbo C++ compiler on the desktop. When it is clicked, a window as seen is open. Now we have to click here file menu to either open the new file where we can enter our code, or if file is already saved, that can be opened. So I have already saved a file just to save the time. So let us open that file. So to open that file we have to click the file menu shown on the top. When we click the file menu, from the drop down menu we select the open. Then open a file window gets open. From this window we select the file we want to open. So we here select the experiment number 3a.c, first program file that is saved as a exp3a.c. Selecting this one, we click the open option. So file gets opened. So just to see the complete window, we have to click the arrow on the right top corner. So clicking here, we get the complete window containing the code. So in this experiment, first program is, we have to write a C program to increase number by 15 if it is less than 35, otherwise keep as it is. So using if else statement we have to write a program, and we have to write the program for an input. We have to take an input number from the user and check that input number. If it is less than 35, then that number is increased by the 15, otherwise it is kept as it is. So a program like this can be written. So first statement is hash include stdio.h included in less than and greater than sign. So this preprocessor directive is used just to include the standard input output.h header file in our file, because what program we are writing, we are using some function that are present in this standard input output.h header file. So for working of those function used by us, we include this file. So within open and close brace of the main function, we see that first statement is int num semicolon. This statement declares integer variable num. Then next statement clear screen open and close parenthesis semicolon. This statement clears anything previously written on the output screen. Printf statement, enter a number. Here as we have to take the number from the keyboard, that is from user. Naturally to take that number in the program, we use the scanf function, and whenever scanf function is executed, cursor blinks for the data. So what should be the response from the user? To for that one, a print message. Using the print message, a message is displayed on the output screen like enter a number. Reading this message on the output screen, user enters a number that is taken in by the scanf function and stored with the variable num. Then next statement is if statement. So if in open and close parenthesis num less than 35, this is a condition. So depending on this condition, number is increased by 15 or not. If condition is true, then default statement of if statement is executed. That is, if number is less than 35, then num equal to num plus 15. That is, number is increased by the 15 and assigned to the left side variable num. If condition is false, then this statement is skipped off, and next statement printf output is %d. What is the value of num? That is printed at this point. Getch holds the output screen and return 0 statement tells the operating system that program is executed properly. Now let us run this program, whereby we can see the working of if statement. So before running the program, first we have to compile that one. By selecting the compile menu, so when we click the compile menu, from the drop down menu, again select the compile. So in compiling window, here we see that warning is 0 and also the error. So we can run the program because no bug is present in our code. So let us run the program. So by clicking the run menu, and from the drop down menu again click the run. So when program is run, enter a number. This message is displayed here that we here is observing. So enter a number. Suppose we enter 34 and press the enter key. Output is 49. Why this output is 49? So let us go to the coding window by pressing the enter key. We have entered the 34. So 34 is less than 35. This condition is correct. When condition is correct, num equal to num plus 15. What is value of num? That is 34 plus 15. 15 is added to the 34 and assigned to the left side variable num. That becomes the 34 plus 15 becomes the 49. Then using the printf statement, output is %d. At this format specifier, value of num gets printed, and so we get the output as 49. Now if we run this program again, and suppose this time we enter for 56 and press the enter key. Output is 56. This number is not increased by the 15. Why? To understand this one, let us go to the coding window. And in coding window, here we see that num is less than 35. What number we have entered is not less than 35. That is, this condition is false. When condition is false, statement num equal to num plus 15 is not executed. So using printf statement, output is percentage %d. What is the value of none? That gets printed here. So in this way, see that using the if statement, we can increase a number by 15 if it is less than 35, or print as it is if it is greater than 35. So in this way, we discuss the working of if statement.